Final order is for India. Check. 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 Mic check. 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 Mic testing 1 2. सबका आया?
Great audiences across India with its Hindi dubbed version releasing on the 31st of May, that is tomorrow. And we are very, very excited to bring this spine-chilling experience to our pan-India audiences. So before we proceed further and call our producers and the cast and crew on stage, let's have a look at the trailer. How was your experience?
मुझे हॉरर फिल्में देखना बहुत पसंद है और पहली बार मैंने अरनमनई 3 में देखा था कि हॉरर फिल्म कैसे बनती है। तो बहुत ही इतना मुश्किल नहीं है हॉरर फिल्म में एक्ट करना, लेकिन डायरेक्शन बहुत मुश्किल है। एंड आई थिंक द कैप्टनवाशिप सुंदर सी सर इज़ अ मास्टर ऑफ दैट क्राफ्ट। ही नोज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट ही वांट्स, हाउ ही वांट्स इट। एंड जितने भी आप स्केयर्स देखते हो या जितनी भी आप कॉमेडी देखते हो, बहुत सारे लोग कभी कभी कॉमेडी का ओवरबोर्ड कर देते हैं हॉरर फिल्म में, लेकिन आप देखेंगे इस फिल्म में स्पेसिफिकली both are a strength, not one overpowers the other. So I feel it's a perfect horror comedy film. शायद इसीलिए इतने लोग आ रहे हैं देखने के लिए। और इसमें जो हॉरर एलिमेंट भी है ना, वो ऐसा नहीं है कि आप डर जाओगे या बिकॉज यू आर स्कैर्ड ऑफ हॉरर फिल्म्स यू कांट वॉच इट। यू कैन डेफिनेटली वॉच इट विद योर फैमिलीज। एंड बहुत सारे लोग अपने बच्चों के साथ ये फिल्म देखने आ रहे हैं। तमिलनाडु में स्पेसिफिकली मैंने सुना है कि द रिस्पॉन्स इज अमेजिंग, numbers are already speaking. And मैंने फिल्म देखी है तो I can also say that it is a collaborative effort. More than me and Tamanna, also there are these wonderful comedians we have जिन्होंने बहुत ही बेहतरीन काम किया है इस पिक्चर में। तो I think it's always a collaborative effort and I hope that the Aranmanai series keeps going on and on. That's what I was telling sir. I said आपने बहुत you want a lot of moolah and a lot of respect, and I feel that it keeps going on and on. Tamanna is also fabulous in the film. I've seen it and she's superb. I think for all the Tamanna fans, they should definitely watch this film for sure. Yeah, and all the horror genre fans should watch this film for sure.
Perfect. Congratulations once again to you, and I'm sure you've delivered an exceptional performance in the film, and we all are going to love you. And coming to you, you're gorgeous. And how was your horror experience first to begin with?
पहले तो मैं सबको बता दूं कि ये सब जो चेन्नई से आए हैं, मैंने बहुत बोला है कि हमारी मीडिया ना बहुत कूल है और हम बहुत मस्ती करते हैं, हमारे प्रेस मीट बहुत फन होते हैं। तो आपको पहले ही बता देती हूँ, यू गाइस हैव टू आस्क वेरी फन क्वेश्चंस बिकॉज मैंने बहुत बिल्डअप दिया है दोनों को, बहुत मेरे अपने डायरेक्टर को बहुत बिल्डअप दिया है, खुशबू मैम को बहुत बिल्डअप दिया है कि हमें यहाँ पर तो बड़ा मजा आता है। आई लव प्रेस मीट्स बिकॉज द मीडिया इज ऑलवेज सो वार्म, वेलकमिंग. I have the most fun interacting with the media here and I'm so proud. Thank you for supporting a film that आज हम celebrate कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि 100 करोड़ एक फिल्म का कमाना जो फीमेल लेड है with just a South Indian release, I think it is an achievement for us. It really makes us proud and makes us want to share this film with all of you. मैं आपको सबके बारे में थोड़ा थोड़ा बताना चाहती हूँ क्योंकि मेरा एक्सपीरियंस इतना खूबसूरत रहा है कि अगर मैं आपको इनके बारे में कुछ बताऊँ नहीं तो इट विल बी इनजस्टिस. सुंदर सी सर के साथ मैंने इसके पहले एक फिल्म में काम किया है. मेरे हिसाब से हमारे देश के टॉप 3 डायरेक्टर्स में से है जिनको फ्रॉम टेक्नोलॉजी टू इमोशन टू कमर्शियल फिल्म की सेंस है. एंड ये उन्होंने बार बार साउथ में प्रूव किया है और मैं बहुत खुशनसीब मानती हूँ अपने आप को कि उनके साथ काम करने का मुझे अपने करियर की अर्ली टाइम में शुरुआत में मुझे मौका मिला. ये फिल्म और उनके बारे में जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है कि हम फीमेल एम्पावरमेंट के बारे में बात करते हैं या हम बोलते हैं वी नीड टू मेक मोर फीमेल लेड फिल्म्स, बट मैंने इनको देखा है कि ये घर पे the kind of upliftment he's had with his girls. He has two wonderful girls. He has Khushbu ma'am. They are the perfect family that anyone aspires to have. And ये उनके सिर्फ फैमिली तक सीमित नहीं है, ये ऐसी स्टोरीज बताते हैं जो वो रिलेशनशिप्स को स्क्रीन पे दर्शाती है और आप कहीं ना कहीं अपनी स्टोरीज इन स्टोरीज में देख पाते हैं. एंड आई फील लाइक ही इज ट्रूली, ये प्रतीक है एक्चुअली हाउ टू एम्पावर वुमेन, उसका एक्चुअल प्रतीक है, क्योंकि ये सिर्फ घर पे ऐसे नहीं है लेकिन ये बाहर भी उसे बहुत ही प्राउडली एग्जिबिट करते हैं और अपनी फिल्मों में दर्शाते हैं. ये क्लियरली अरुणमणि का 4th पार्ट है और 4th पार्ट होने के नाते ये फिल्म ऑफ कोर्स पहले भी बहुत चली है, ये फ्रेंचाइज बहुत चली है, इसीलिए चौथा पार्ट बना पाए हैं ये. सो आई रियली फील वेरी प्राउड कि मैं एक ऐसे फिल्म मेकर के साथ काम कर रही हूँ जिन्होंने हमारा काम इतना आसान कर दिया, क्योंकि इन्होंने मुझे जो कैरेक्टर दिया है मुझे ऑनेस्टली नहीं लगा था मैं प्ले कर पाऊँगी, क्योंकि मैं अपने घर में अभी भी बच्ची हूँ. I think I still no maternal instincts have kicked in, so I am treated like the baby in the house. And जब उन्होंने मुझे ये स्टोरी सुनाई और बताया कि you're playing a mother who's a protector and who is एक औरत का हर रूप दर्शाने का मौका दिया है इन्होंने इस फिल्म में, और ये मेरे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इमोशनल है, क्योंकि मेरे पास आई फेल्ट इट्स टू प्योर एन इमोशन, मैं इसे कहीं और से नहीं ले सकती, तो आई हैड टू टेक दिस इंस्पिरेशन फ्रॉम माई ओन मदर. एंड मैं घर पे बहुत ज़्यादा पैम्पर्ड हूँ, मुझे बहुत प्यार मिला है, अभी भी मिलता है, अभी भी मतलब इस उम्र में भी मुझे बच्चे जैसा ही ट्रीट किया जाता है. तो उस फीलिंग को लेके एक माँ कितना अपने बच्चे को कंफर्ट कर सकती है, कितनी भी मुश्किल स्थिति में क्यों ना हो, और अगर वक्त आए जब उसे अपने बच्चों को प्रोटेक्ट करना पड़े तो वो किसी भी हद तक जा सकती है. ये इस फिल्म का एक्चुअली सोल है, और ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मुझ पे डालने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सुंदर सी सर, बिकॉज अगर आपने मुझे इस रोल के लिए कंसिडर नहीं किया होता तो शायद ये फिल्म कोई और एक्ट्रेस कर रही होती, और ये फिल्म जो भी एक्ट्रेस करती है वो उसके लिए इट वुड बी अ फेदर इन हर कैप. सो आई फील वेरी लकी कि अरुणमणि 4 का ये किरदार जिसका नाम है सेल्वी, तमिल वर्जन में तो सेल्वी है, वो मुझे करने मिला. एंड खुशबू मैम, शी इज द विंड बीनीथ सुंदर सी सर्स विंग्स. She's such a rock solid lady, and I feel so good that I'm working with all these very rock solid people. For me, Rashi is one person who I actually find a lot of love and warmth whenever I meet her, and we've worked together before in a Telugu film. लेकिन I don't know, somehow एक प्रोफेशनल जैसा रिश्ता ही नहीं है. मैं बहुत पसंद करती हूँ राशि को, क्योंकि वो बहुत ही एक सिक्योर एक्ट्रेस हैं, बहुत ही बेहतरीन एक्ट्रेस हैं. इस तरह का ठहराव शायद हमारे देश में कुछ एक्ट्रेसेस दे पाती हैं. अब मैंने देखा है फिल्मों में, स्पेशली जब कमर्शियल फिल्म्स होती हैं, देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ हम साउथ इंडियन फिल्म आई हैव नोटिस्ड बीइंग प्लेइंग बबली कैरेक्टर्स, बट आई हैव सीन राशि ऑलवेज ब्रिंग सो मच subtlety, so much softness, so much realism to her characters. I'm a big fan of Rashi, but I'm a bigger fan of how amazing a person she is and how beautifully she is outside. So yeah, I'm so happy, Rashi, we could do this together. It's a very special film for the both of us, and yeah, this entire journey for me has been extremely rewarding, because अगर ये फिल्म आज साउथ में इसने अगर 100 करोड़ किया है, इट्स अ ह्यूज वैलिडेशन फॉर एक्टर्स, फीमेल एक्टर्स, कि अगली बार होपफुली फिल्म मेकर्स फीमेल लेड फिल्म्स पे ज़्यादा पैसा खर्चा करेंगे, अलग किस्म के स्टोरीज लेके आएंगे, अलग किस्म के किरदार लेके आएंगे. सो इट्स वेरी वैलिडेटिंग, और बहुत खुशी महसूस हो रही है कि ये फिल्म को प्यार मिल रहा है, और अब ये प्यार हम आपसे भी चाहते हैं, इसीलिए हम इस फिल्म को हिंदी में रिलीज़ कर रहे हैं, ताकि जो पूरा देश है इस फिल्म को सेलिब्रेट कर सके, जैसे साउथ इंडिया ऑलरेडी सेलिब्रेट कर रहा है. और मैं लोखंडवाला की रहने वाली हूँ, तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि मैं यहाँ पर आके अपनी तमिल फिल्म सबके साथ शेयर करूँ जो हिंदी में रिलीज़ होने वाली है. अरुणमणि 4 इज़ इन थिएटर्स फ्रॉम द 31st of which month are we in? Yes, that's how much I remember which month. 31st of May. Guys, please watch this film. It's super emotional. It is a horror comedy, and I think horror comedy that is filled with entertainment. I am so excited. और अगर आपने अभी मस्ती वाले सवाल नहीं पूछे तो मेरी आवाज कुछ ऐसी हो जाएगी बिकॉज मैंने सच्ची में बहुत बिल्डअप किया है तो प्लीज आपको कुछ पूछना है जो मीडिया है यहाँ पर जो होपफुली आज फिल्म देखने वाली है आप आई होप आप फिल्म देखने वाले हैं आज कल देखने वाले हैं ठीक है प्लीज अगर कुछ पूछना हो तो प्लीज पूछिए वी आर वेरी हैप्पी टू आंसर योर क्वेश्चंस जी बोला है वो सब एक सिक्सर बाउंसर की तरह गया होगा आईपीएल में लेकिन अदरवाइज ही इज फाइन मतलब in 30 years of a married life or together what we have been in 30 years there was a an understanding कि मैं उन्हें हिंदी सिखाऊंगी वो मुझे तमिल सिखाएंगे उन्होंने मुझे तमिल प्रॉपर्ली सिखा दी लेकिन मैंने उनको हिंदी नहीं सिखाई कोशिश की लेकिन it was terrible so then I gave up so he is fine he can still understand a bit but most of it what you spoke I'm sure it is gone no उनको मेरा जो भाव है उनको वो महसूस इमोशन समझ गए बिकॉज इतना प्यार था उसमें
Good afternoon, everybody. Normally, I'm very nervous when I'm on stage or holding a mic, and I'm more nervous now because this is the first time I'm being in front of Mumbai media, press, everybody. And excuse me if I make any mistake in my language. Very, very nice to see you in my Alumni 4 function because Alumni 1 was a big hit in South, and it was dubbed in Hindi as Raj Mahal, as you know. That movie did so well in OTT and satellite channels. After that, all the South Indian movies which are RR or comedy, they are dubbed in Hindi as RR, Raj Mahal 2, 3, 4. Now the line is going on. So I have to wait for a Raj Mahal franchise number to get. At last I'm getting my own title for the Hindi dubbed version. So happy. Actually, I was discussing with Tamanna. The main reason for the Alumni 4 success, one of the main reasons for Alumni 4 success was when I was doing that movie. The movie was really, the movie was ready for the release. Now in the South, they'll have the pressure only after the release because they are scared whether the movie will carry good report or not. So always they will have the press meet after the release of the movie. And I had only one marketing strategy for my movie, that's Alumni 4. I had the press show before the release of the movie. And the only one condition I put forward for my press and media friends down south was they have to come with the family to the theatre for the press show because I arranged a big theatre with more than 1,200 capacity and all the press and media friends come to the theatre with the total family. So when they saw the family laughing and enjoying the movie, automatically I got a very good reviews for the movie and even before the release of the movie, my movie was declared a super hit success. So that's the power of media and press. So I hope you will also support the movie tomorrow and help it in making it a big success. And to talk about Alumni 4, all the 3 movies before I did in the Alumni franchise were all super duper hits actually in the South. Even though the movies are super hit, I didn't do it the next franchise immediately. For the fourth franchise, I took nearly 12 years to make it the 4th movie. Because I don't want to capitalize on the success or to make the money, okay, immediately we'll take the Alumni, one more Alumni, we'll earn money like that. I never went like for that. I always waited for a nice script, nice idea to come. So then only I touched the Alumni franchise because the expectation for Alumni in the South was huge. So when I got an idea for this Alumni, it will be a little, quite a longer story, please excuse me. Once I was going through some history books, I find it one funny thing. Lot of kings who ruled India, someone like Ashoka or Akbar or Aurangzeb, who ruled most part of the Indias, their borders in the north, in the south and west, it differs. Somebody went till Afghanistan, someone went till Pakistan, like that. Even the south, they came till Hyderabad, someone came till Madurai, like that. But in the eastern side, like a line, nobody crossed Brahmaputra, most of them, as per my knowledge, nobody crossed Brahmaputra. I was curious to find the reason, and historically there were a few reasons for that. There was a big dynasty, they were brave warriors, and a lot of that guerrilla warfare was done. So these kings were unable to cross Brahmaputra. These are all historically. And geographically they said another reason, after Brahmaputra there is a lot of forest, hills and a lot of rain. So the kings were unable to cross the border. And I felt there was, because they who were able to cross even the Himalaya borders, they won't find it difficult to cross the Brahmaputra. And also they won so many kings, warriors everywhere, all over India. I don't think it will be difficult for them to cross over Brahmaputra and conquer them also. And when I was looking through it, there was another fourth reason for that, which was believed by some of the few segments of people there. That was the reason for the king not crossing the Brahmaputra river, it was out of fear of ghost. Because at that time, the land was called as land of possessed by some of the people over Brahmaputra. So the kings were scared to cross Brahmaputra because of the ghost fear. That was believed by some few people or segment of the people. And till today, there was lot of folklore going upon the telling about the stories of the ghosts there. There are a lot of characters. And one of the interesting folklore was about Bach. I was very curious to read when I read about that Bach. The Bach, they say it's something paranormal thing, lives near the river side, which will lead somebody who comes to the river side and take their shape, and they'll go and bring more people near the river, then till they take the shape. Like that, the story goes on. But that particular character of Bach was very interesting for me. So I took that particular idea of Bach. What will happen? The Bach come alive and come to our south. What will happen? That's the basic line of the story. When I got this idea, I was so interested. Immediately I thought of doing that another franchise for Arunai, and now I'm standing in front of you because of the Dona India. And it got connected to all over the south. So that's the way Arunai 4 started. There's a lot to talk to me. Lot to talk for me, but waiting for your questions, and thanks Tamara and Rashi for the nice words.
So I'd like to intervene here. We have two very, very important questions. In fact, you're playing the main lead. We'd like to know on that.
No, the reason is simple. Arunai 4 have a very strong female characters. Now, all the Arunai 4 movies were very female-centric and very powerful female characters. And finding, I find very hard to get a commercial hero for the movie.
It was fantastic.
Thank you.
And since I was impressed by Tamanna Bhattia's performance very much, and she has appreciated all the artists' performance. So say some good things about Tamanna's performance.
Actually, the thing is, when I finished the script of the movie, I want a artist. That's the core of the movie actually. She should be very powerful in her performance. At the same time, audience should relate to her, and she should have a star value also. So we have to put together everything. The glamour should be there. That everybody knows that Tamanna is glamorous, everything. But performance oriented, I want to bring the other side of Tamanna, because I know already we have worked in a movie. I know how talented she was. The movie before that we worked on some movie called Action. The title itself was Action, and we did some miraculous, great action sequence in Turkey, Azerbaijan, everywhere, and she did a fabulous job. Now I want to bring out that emotional and performance side of Tamanna. I think once you watch the movie, you'll understand, you can see it by yourself, how talented she is, because the other side of Tamanna, which before that I think nobody has seen in a lot of movies, it came out in Arunai 4. And such a fantastic actor, such a dedicated, because a heroine to nearly survive for nearly 18 years, it's not an easy job. Only the dedication, professionalism, everything will make her what she is now, made her what she is now. And Arunai 4, I am very happy, because in the south, nobody expected Tamara to perform so well, to be frank. And it was a sweet surprise for everybody. And whoever comes out of the theatre after watching the movie, the first thing is they talk about is Tamara's performance. So thanks Tamara for getting great, and I tortured her so much. It was, even though she's doing some emotional scenes, it was totally in the rope, lot of action sequences. She's carrying 2 kids in the rope, have to fly, dive, lot of things. even after the death in the movie, even after death in the movie, she was having the rope scenes, everything. So difficult to.
Thank you once again, ladies and gentlemen, for being such a wonderful audience. Thank you everyone, and we shall see you all in the theatres.
साइड हो जाओ।
बाइट से बाइट
बाइट नहीं देखो।
बाइट नहीं दो
Thank you for coming as always. Thank you very much.
Hi.
Thank you. How
How
are
are
you?
you? Later we meet for the interview.
Yeah, I will. Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, a little feedback. Yes, ma'am.
We are from Bazooka, Sajid sir.
Very good. But you guys are always so supportive. It just, you know, our heart goes out. Thank you. Brazil.
मैम लुक आपको बहुत अच्छा है।
हाँ हो गया बेचा
मैम
सब मत जाओ सब
ये क्या कर रहे हो?